And there's our view from the Charlottesville Albemarle Airport. You can start to see more in the way of sunny breaks. We've had a lot of cloudiness throughout the course of the day. Some of that left over from some of the leftover showers and some storms very early this morning. Filtered sunshine, if you will. We made it up to 88, so we did not make it into the 90s today. So that's some good news. And the humidity is in the mid 60s. So a little break from the high humidity as well, because of the cloud cover holding things down as well. 78, the current number at the Valley Airport in Weeders Cave. You've seen a lot of clouds, but now starting to see some clearing. Right now, 77 in Waynesboro, 85 in Palmyra. We've got 82 in Orange and 81 in Madison. As we look at Doppler radar over the last few hours, not much to see. This little weakening complex, which was farther and much stronger out to our west, basically decayed over the region. So there have been some very light showers and some cloudiness. Now that fades away. So what's ahead for this evening and tonight? Still watching these thunderstorm complexes, and the next one is taking more of a line that takes it through more of Kentucky and far southwest West Virginia, and there are numerous warnings along that line. The northern edge of this, again, will continue to push east. It may not hold together. All the energy, all the instability, the better dynamics in the atmosphere are farther south and west. So I'll continue to monitor this, but I think our severe threat is a much lower, even though we're still at a level 2 here till about 9 o'clock in terms of severe weather, and the main threat would be a damaging wind gust. It is not a setup of what we saw yesterday. So the model's trying to handle things as we're playing it out now. Still some filtered sunshine out there, and then things are quiet. And that complex that I was just showing you farther out to our west, there it is around 9:30, and then it just weakens out to generally some lighter showers as we head through the late night and overnight period, taking us into Wednesday morning. So overnight, temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Any severe threat would be very early tonight. Temperatures tomorrow, upper 80s to around 90. A stray shower or storm, I think coverage would be limited tomorrow as well. Now Thursday and Friday, we're still going to hold temperatures in the 90s through Thursday, and then it'll drop a little bit more on Friday as an actual front tries to make it through, which should set us up for at least a decent Saturday, even some lower temperatures and some lower humidities. So these thunderstorm complexes have been rotating around a heat ridge that's farther out to our west. And today, the setup has been a track that's been a little farther south and west of our area, but they're still generally moving in that northwesterly wind flow. Of course, the numbers you see back to the Ohio Valley, like Columbus, held down because of the showers and thunderstorms, but then that heat ridge is evident when you look out toward Nashville and St. Louis, out toward Kansas City. So our boundaries in here, the winds aloft are driving those in our direction, but most of the big complexes, the severe weather is a little farther south and west today. So temperatures in the morning will start either side of 70. Tomorrow afternoon, mid 80s to around 90. An isolated shower storm is expected. We'll start Thursday morning with temperatures either side of 70, and then by Thursday afternoon, a few hit or miss storms, temperatures for many of us in the low 90s. And real quickly, National Hurricane Center monitoring a tropical wave that over the next several days could become a tropical depression or named storm. It would be Cristobal as it heads toward the islands by maybe this weekend or next week. Temperatures tonight, either side of 70. That severe threat is early. There's those shower and thunderstorm chances take us through the end of the week. Right now, Saturday would be not as warm, not as humid, but then those storm chances look to return by the first part of next week.
All right, thank you, Eric. Well, new repairs at